Hello guys, welcome back to the C programming tutorial. In previous lecture we have studied how to find the factorial of a number using recursion, and in this lecture we will see how to find the greatest common divisor of two number. The greatest common divisor of two number is the largest integer that divides both the number, and we can find the greatest common divisor using Euclid's algorithm, and which states that suppose GCD of A comma B is what? B, and we have two conditions. B, if B divides B sorry A is divided by B, means A modulus B is equal to 0. Otherwise what? Once again we have to call G function, and here in this we have to put A and A mod B. A mod B means this function, and once again this process will run, and once again we will check for this condition. Until this condition is not satisfied, our result will not be sure. Sorry, here we have A B instead of A. So coming to the logic, first of all rub this. This is a Euclid method, and we will use this method using recursion. Suppose we have a number A and value is 62, and another number B and value is 8, and we have to find the greatest common divisor of A comma B. So now call the function. So here we have 62 comma 8. According to first algorithm, what? If B divides A, if this divides A, so we will check this is divisible, yeah, not, no, 62 is not divisible by 8, so we will take the remainder of this, and this remainder of 62 into 62 when divided by 8 is what? 6, and according to Euclid's algorithm, once again our value will become what? 8, that is B will be there, and next is 6. This will, first of all we will move in first method we will move from this to this, and once again we will check the if is the 8 is divisible by 6, no, and what will be the remainder in the next step? We have remainder 2 in the next step. So here we have 6 comma 2 according to Euclid's algorithm. Once again we will check the divisibility of this number, and we have moved from this step to this step, and in this step we have remainder is equal to 0. So we have satisfied the first algorithm of the Euclid's algorithm to find the greatest common divisor. So our result will be what? B, that is 2. So the common greatest divisor of 62 and 8 is 2. Now coming to the Turbo C++, there we will see how it is working. So first of all we will declare a function int GCD, and declare two value int A and int B, and this is function declaration, and here void main two value integer a comma b, and third is result. Clear the screen. Ask the user to enter two numbers. Change the line. Scanf %d, comma %d, comma address a, comma address b. Now store the value in of this result in of GCD in result, and pass the value a and b, and printf GCD is %d, comma result. Get ch. Now in definition part of GCD, int a, comma int b, and declare another variable remainder, so that we can find the remainder. Remainder is equal to a modulus b, and if remainder is equal to 0, then we have to return what value? B. So return what? B. Else return what? GCD of b, comma means b, comma remainder, and put one more here, and this is function call. Now it's looking fine. Compile. Yeah, we have an error, and where we statement missing, but here we have no now it's fine. And enter two number. First number I will enter 62, that we have seen in example, and second number will 8, and GCD is 2. And once again check for number 12 and suppose 6, GCD is 6. So here this is the working, and in our function, and we use the return statement to exit from the function, and here in this statement we just called this function by different value of a and b. So guys, this is the simple implementation of recursive function to find the greatest common divisor. And always remember, we can also find the greatest common divisor using another method, and the problem that can be solved recursively can be also solved using loop statement. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please share and subscribe. Thank you.